Genesis! Yeah, she came for a walk on Eagle Creek Park today. We're having a family thingy. So here we are. We're walking down this thingy. It's kind of far. There's a lady walking down somewhere down there. Like down, straight down there. Yeah, I don't know if I can get her in here. You see those two couple pictures? Yep. Kind of fun walking around here. It's pretty big. You can walk through whatever. You get to see deers, whatever they're called. They're called deers, I think. And we're right here. Boom. Maybe Genesis is back here still. Mnths back. Yeah, we're walking. Vamos para allá o para acá. Vamos para acá. Acá, sí. Yeah, so we're gonna try to follow them. Couples. And there's Genesis. She says she's trying to walk. Yep. Little. She's walking right there. You see? She's like showing her daddy's foot because she has only socks. And kind of weird not having socks on her. I'm showing her right now. Say hola.
Easy.
You see, she's actually trying to walk now. Or she's trying to run now. Oh yeah, mamoy. She's actually trying to learn how to walk. Oh. We're still walking.
No,
and she actually can't walk, so. But she's trying to learn. But she's trying to learn right now. And then Daddy's trying to put her in the. Right here. And she's trying to. You see, she's trying to take some of those steps. She's still trying to learn how to walk, but she does not like to be sitting down or doing nothing no more, so here we are, trying to teach her how to walk. Here I am, her mama, her daddy's over there. He's without a shirt because it's really hot here, where we are, which we're located in Indiana. It's pretty hot. Hi. Hola, mama. Dile hi. See, she's on top of Daddy's head. She likes to be up there a lot. 4Mnths, eh? She's like the road. Yep. ¿Para qué hacer? ¿Ya te cansaste? Dátelo un poquito por favor. Ya es que a mí me cansa. Hopefully I can find a deer so I can show you guys. But I don't know if I would be able to because they're kind of hard to find. There's a little wood down there. Mira, mi amor. Es como un caminito, ¿no? No. Nos vamos así, ¿no?
¿Dónde abajo?
Pero vamos así, después así, ¿no?
¿Cómo?
Como encontramos. What was that fucking noise, really? It kind of scared me. Sorry for my language. ¿Qué pasó? Yeah. She decided to get off Daddy's bed because she doesn't like it. Vamos para allá, mi amor. Vaya, sí. Porque yo aquí la verdad no sé a dónde estamos localizados. And so, let's see. She's gonna be fussy because I forgot to bring her bottle. Okay, this is the Eagle Creek Park Discovery Center. I'll show you in a minute. Hold on. You see? We're right here in a trail. And they're back there. See? Earth Discovery Center. We actually haven't been in here because we don't know how to drive a lot. Yeah, Mama, look at you. Yeah, that's her dad. Her dad is very shy. That's my little one. She's only 4 months, almost 5 months. I'm gonna show you the little creek over here. So I wanna walk down there. You can see the Eagle Creek White River down there. Yeah, and then she's up there trying to look. She's looking. Yeah. And there's like a little thing up there. Yep, this is where we are actually. Walking just around. There's people down there. So, so we're right here walking. Down. Daddy cleaned her ears. Yeah, she's getting frustrated a little bit. Right here. Oh, you see there's a thing under there. Thing that landed down there. I don't know what it was. Yeah. Hmm? Mira, there's a puppy coming. Mira, un perrito. Lisa, I don't know. Okay. Hi. Pretty dog, sir. Thanks. This is a pond line for this. I don't know what the heck it was. It's a pond. You, baby. It's horrible. Oh, yeah, hay ranas. Look. There's a frog down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me locate it. ¿Sí las ves? Ahí está una. Aquí está otra. Aquí no sé si hayan pescaditos o no. Son como pescaditos por chiquitos, you know. There's some like little fish or whatever they call it. You see that frog right there? You see that frog, baby? And the other one's like down there. He's actually camouflage. I hear stand it because I'll probably fall into that little pond, I guess. Yeah. Vente, vamos para acá. A caminar más. Look, mommy. He's actually showing where the frogs are at. Mira, mamón. Oye, aquí hay otro. What the fuck, acá? She's actually with me right now. So, yeah. Let's go pond here and everything.